word-of-mouth floors laminate. This is 12 millimeters thick. We have 6 colors here from our San Francisco collection. And these are all AC4, so which means they're good for any type of residential, and they're extra scratch resistant, so they're good up to a moderate level, medium level commercial, which is like offices or, cafes. So you can see the collections here. These are just under 8 inches wide. To be exact, they're 7 4/5 wide, 12 millimeters thick. This color here is Golden Gate. This is SanFran, Coastal Cloud, Angel Island, Alcatraz. Wow, look at that. And then Fisherman's Wharf. So all inspired from the San Francisco area. This is AC4 scratch resistant durable laminate flooring, 12 millimeters thick, from Word of Mouth Floors.